Welcome to Wander and Invest. If you're tuning in for the first time, we're here to help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. And if you're returning, welcome back to the channel where financial goals become a reality. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making investment decisions. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and sharing it with anyone who's ready to take control of their financial future. At Wander and Invest, our mission is simple: to provide free, actionable content to help you achieve your financial goals. When it comes to building wealth, few vehicles are as powerful as real estate. But what makes real estate stand out compared to other investments like stocks, bonds, or even cryptocurrency? Unlike stocks or crypto, real estate is a physical asset that serves a practical purpose: housing. Its intrinsic value remains steady even during economic downturns. With real estate, you can earn income in multiple ways: monthly rent, property appreciation, and tax benefits like deductions and depreciation. One of real estate's most significant advantages is leverage. With a 20% down payment, you control 100% of the property. Few investments allow you to grow wealth this way. So how exactly does real estate create wealth? Let's break it down into three powerful pillars. Cash flow is the money you pocket each month after paying all your expenses, like mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance. Let's say you purchase a duplex. The rental income is $3,000 per month. After expenses of $2,500, you're left with $500 in cash flow. That's $6,000 in extra income every year. Appreciation is the increase in property value over time. Real estate typically appreciates at a long-term average of 5% annually in many markets. If you buy a property today for $300,000, a 5% annual appreciation rate means it could be worth $383,000 in just 5 years. Tax benefits are a hidden gem of real estate investing. From mortgage interest deductions to depreciation, real estate helps you keep more of your hard-earned money. If you own a rental property worth $400,000, depreciation allows you to write off $14,545 per year, reducing your taxable income significantly. Another reason real estate is the ultimate wealth builder: it's resilient. During economic downturns, housing remains a necessity. People always need a place to live, making real estate a relatively stable investment. During the 2008 financial crisis, the stock market dropped over 50%, but most rental income remained stable. Investors who held properties weathered the storm, while stocks took years to recover. Let's look at an example of how real estate can transform someone's financial future. Meet Alex. 5 years ago, Alex bought his first rental property for $250,000 with a $50,000 down payment. Today, the property is worth $320,000. With $600 in monthly cash flow and $70,000 in equity from appreciation and mortgage paydown, Alex is well on his way to financial independence. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest goal with real estate investing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to see what you're working toward. Now you can see why real estate is one of the most reliable and rewarding paths to wealth. Whether it's cash flow, appreciation, or tax benefits, this asset class provides the tools you need to build financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone ready to start their wealth building journey, and subscribe to Wander and Invest for more free content on real estate and personal finance. And remember, this is just the first step. In this series, we'll cover everything from financing your first property to scaling your portfolio with advanced strategies. So stick with us. It's going to be an incredible journey. Remember, real estate isn't just about property. It's about possibility.